Once upon a time, there was a wicked queen. She had a magic mirror. One day, she went in front of her mirror and asked the mirror,
"Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?"
"You, my queen, are fair, it's true, but Snow White is fairer than you."
Snow White, the girl again. How dare she be more beautiful than me?
"It's the truth, my queen."
I must get rid of her once and for all.
The wicked queen paces and thinks of a plan.
I will disguise myself and give her a poisoned apple. She will never wake up again.
In the forest, Snow White and Sarah are walking through the forest, laughing and talking.
It is such a beautiful day, Sarah. I love spending time with you.
Me too, Snow White. Let's pick some flowers for your home.
That's a great idea.
As they were picking some flowers, the wicked queen disguised as an old woman approached.
Hello, my dear. Would you like a beautiful shining apple?
It looks delicious. Thank you. Wait, Snow White. I don't trust her.
Don't worry, Sarah. She's just being nice.
Snow White took a bite of the apple and immediately fell to the ground asleep.
Snow White! Snow White, wake up! What happened?
She's under my spell now. She will never wake up.
And the queen ran away. The queen went back to her castle and again came in front of her mirror and asked,
"Mirror, mirror on the wall, now who is the fairest of them all?"
"You, my queen, are fair, it's true, but Snow White's beauty still shines through."
What? How can that be? I gave her a poisoned apple.
"Snow White's friends will save her, queen. Her true beauty cannot be unseen."
No, that cannot happen. I must stop them.
The dwarf's cottage. The dwarfs were busy in their little cottage when Sarah ran in breathless.
Please help! Snow White is in trouble. What happened, Sarah? The queen gave her the poisoned apple. She won't wake up.
We must hurry. Let's take Snow White to our cottage.
Yes, maybe we can find a way to break the spell.
We need something to break the spell.
Maybe a true friend's love would wake her up.
We need something to break the spell.
Maybe a true friend's love would wake her up.
I'll try. Snow White, please wake up. I need you.
And Sarah gently held Snow White's hand. Snow White began to stir.
Sarah, is that you?
Snow White, you're awake.
Wow!
Thank you, everyone. I'm so lucky to have such a beautiful friends. And we're lucky to have you, Snow White.
And soon, with the help of her true friends, Snow White was saved, and they all lived happily ever after, far away from the queen.
Thank you!